Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, now in this video, we are going to learn about Carter Bragg. Okay, so what I will do first, I will show you the output of this project. Okay, so see, we need to just click on the flag. So, here, avoid the dog army to survive. Avoid the dog army. Okay, so once you will press left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow, you are able to move this cat. Okay, and we need to avoid that. So this project we are going to create today. Okay, so first thing, how many sprite we want here? So as you can see, now we need to just click on the sprite. So total we have three sprite. The first sprite is our basketball ground. The second one is about your x-axis, y-axis, and the third one like your basketball ground. Okay. So now let's see how many sprite we want. So this is our background, which is our backdrop. Now we will see. So first we want the cat. Okay. So see, we have cat. After that, we want one banner, which is we need to just write avoid the dog army to survive. Okay. After that, we want the dog puppy. See, we want one more dog puppy, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So total we have five dogs and one cat, one banner. Okay. So now let's see for the cat. So for the cat, what we need to do, we need to just add the up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. Okay. So how we will do that? How we will add our arrows? So now we need to just start when flag is clicked. So in the forever means in continuously, we want to change our y-axis and we want to change y by -2. It means this y. So if you will see, we are dividing the stage into two parts. The first one is your x-axis and the second one is our y-axis. So we need to change the y means positive y. We want to change here. And we need to just wait for a second. We want to change our y by -2 means here. Now as you can see, when we will click on the flag, so what will happen? Automatically you will get this change. See? Okay, like in x y, two positive and two negative. Okay, after that what we want, when flag is clicked, so we want to clear all the graphic effects. And if this cat will touch to your dog puppy means any dog, so what will happen here, we want to repeat this 10 times and we want to change the effect by 1. Okay, so this is for the cat. And now third thing, what we want for the cat, when flag is clicked, we want this 90-degree for the cat. Suppose if you want this direction, up direction, now see you will get a up direction. You will take this here, so you will get left direction. See, so this is our directions according to our choice. According to your choice, you can add the direction. After that, we need to just wait for a second. Now, what we want here in the forever, we want four arrows: up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. And you need to just go to the sensing, you will get your touch. Okay, like this. If key space is pressed, instead of space, we can add up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. Now what we want, up arrow means what? This direction. So we want to change the y direction. In the down arrow, we want to change -5. In the left, we want to change the minus negative. And in your right direction, we want to change the positive X. And here we want point in direction for the right, means this one, and point in direction for the left, which is left direction. Okay, so this is our cat part we need to do. Now for the banner, this is very simple. When flag is clicked, initially we want to hide that and we want to go to this position. So this we want in the front layer, because in the back layer we want this ground. After that we want to show that, and after some second we want to hide like this. Avoid the dog army to survive. After some second that will hide. Okay, now we will see our dog puppy, and I hope you understood the cat and banner. Now we will see our dog puppy. So whatever code we will write in one dog puppy, the same thing we will write the entire dog puppy. So what we want here, when flag is clicked, so we need to just wait for a second. Now what will happen if your dog will touch to the cat, we want to set a volume and we will play one sound. So we need to just go to the sound tab. You will get all the sounds. Even if you want to add the sound, your favorite one, you need to just go to this sound tab. Click on this choose a sound, and from here you can select any sound like this. This is guitar. This is, so according to your choice, you can select any sound. Okay. Then what we want when flag is clicked, again we want to clear the graphic effects. In the forever we want to change the color. So see, you will get a change color as you can see, right? Okay. After that, we will do the next part. So what is our next part? When flag is clicked. So first we want to change the fish eye. Okay, this one. Again, wait for a second. Again, you can change your fish eye. Again, change. So you need to just wait for a second. You want to change. So here you will get some effect. Where you will get this block, we need to just go to the looks, and once you will scroll down, you will get a change. From here, we can change. Okay. Now, what is our fourth algorithm here? When flag is clicked, we want the size. It will take a random value. This is not a fix. Randomly, you will get any value. So we need to just go to the operator. You will get your pick random. Okay. After that, this is our main part for dog puppy. When flag is clicked, initially we want to hide this. After some time, after waiting 1 second, you will get that, right? Now, again, we need to just wait for a second and it will go to the random position. This is not your fixed one. Randomly, you will get your dog anywhere. See? Now, what we want to come to the front layer, because in the back, we want our background, which is your backdrop. After that, what will happen? It will show the cat. We want to repeat this only 8 times. We want to change a y direction with minus, like we want a down position. Again, we need to just wait for a second. Now, what will happen if this dog will touch to the cat? We want to hide the dog. Okay. So this is our dog puppy. Same, if you will click on second dog puppy, you will get the same thing. When flag is clicked, you need to just wait for a second. In the forever, what algorithm we will apply here? If your dog will touch to the cat, we want to set the volume and we want to play a sound. After that, we want to clear the graphic effect. We want to change the color and we want to change the fish eye. Means everything we need to do the same in every dog. Okay, so you need to just write this one time and you can just copy and paste. Everything is same. Now In the backdrop, what we want when flag is clicked, initially we want the basketball backdrop and we want to change the color effect. So as you can see here, you will get some effect. Okay. So we want the change and then we want to set a volume and we want to just play one sound. So this is for our backdrop. So we need to do the coding in only one three, which is your cat. Then we have a banner and then we have a dog puppy. Okay. So please create this project and give this project link in the comment section. I will also review that and I will also give you some comments. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon.